Hi, morning guys. It's Cobus, our camper dream. Yeah, Fatty is still here. So we still at home. Got the trailer sorted out with nice LED lights. Ready for the road. And yeah, we've done a few little things. I'm still doing etching, as you can see. But yeah, we put a little mirror up there and planting trees apparently. And yeah, it really start like we're moving in now. Everything is here. It's actually looking nice there, Lavi. Yeah. And yeah, so it's like a house. We're moving in. So we're doing all small things. My wife shouldn't have closed this because it was open for a reason. Because I put some glue there. We put that on there. Because she's the chef in the kitchen apparently. And yeah, we put here a lekker spieltjie. How's it, guys? And yeah, we are like really getting there. We are really doing some things. Well, we can at least sleep in lekker blinds there, and that side's one. And yeah, we are almost ready to hit the road. Last few bits and pieces, and yeah, then we're there. Okay guys, follow us, our camper dream, and yeah, like and subscribe. Thank you.